In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a Google Drive file or folder right into your Notion page. This is a super handy process if you want to maintain easy access to important documents or share content with your team quickly and effortlessly. Let's jump right in and get started. Firstly, we need to head over to Google Drive. This is where your files and folders live, and it's where we'll begin the process of linking them to Notion. Once you're in your Google Drive, find the specific file or folder you want to integrate into your Notion workspace. It could be a project file, a set of reference documents, or any material you need quick access to from Notion. Next, you'll want to right-click on the file or folder. When you do this, a menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Get Link. This is the key to sharing your file or folder outside of Google Drive. Click on it, and you'll see a panel pop up on your screen. Here's where you need to make a small but crucial adjustment. Under the section labeled General Access, you'll see a few different sharing options. For the purpose of easily accessing this file or folder through Notion, select the option that says Anyone with the link. This setting ensures that whenever someone with access to your Notion page clicks on the link, they'll be able to view the file without any hassle. Once you've made this selection, go ahead and click Copy Link. Now you've got the Google Drive link ready to go. With your link copied, switch over to your Notion page where you want to embed this file or folder. To seamlessly integrate the Google Drive content, type in a / followed by the word Embed. Notion gives you various options to connect content, and choosing Embed will allow you to add your Google Drive link directly into the page. Now it's time to paste your Google Drive link. After pasting, click on the button that says Embed Link. This action will weave the file or folder into your Notion page, allowing it to show up as a clickable preview. Depending on the type of file, you might even get an interactive window right inside Notion, providing a streamlined workflow as it allows you to interact with the document directly. And just like that, you're done. Your Google Drive file or folder is now embedded within Notion, bringing your workspace together in a more organized, accessible manner. This simple yet powerful connection means less time clicking around and more time focusing on what truly matters in your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.